Candle 68. What's guys doing, huh? Ooh, you're happy, kid. Oh, you guys are both giving each other kisses. Hey, no humping. Hey, come on, get down. No humping. Excuse me. Come here. Come here. No, no humping. Good boy. He's such a cute. Oh, you're so gorgeous. Yes, you are. And you're a little pervert. Yes, you are too. Oh, look at that mouth. Hello, Angel. Are you hot? It's not even hot. Thank you. Oh boy. Oh, I love your little pink lips. So cute. Come here. Come up and see Auntie. Come here. Come here. Come here. No humping. No. No humping. Good boy. Yes, you're being very patient with him. You sure are. Yes, you're a good listener. Yes, you are. Look at how gorgeous he is. So pretty. Ooh, what's going on in the next kennel? Oh, let's see if he'll let me scratch him with that scratcher. Come here. Oh, nope, he's afraid of it. Okay, I'm going to wait. Come here. Auntie's sorry. They're both so kissy face. Okay, good boy. Can you come up here so I can see you? Come here. Come here. Let me say hi to you. Oh, pretty boy. Thank you. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh, kissy face boy. No humping. No humping. I'm watching you. Yes, I am. Woohoo! So cute. Oh, I love you. Yes, I do. Okay, can you sit, huh? Papas, can you sit? Come on, sit. Good boy. Can you sit? Sit. Let's show Auntie how you sit. Sit. Come on, sit. Okay, he's like, I'm sitting, Auntie. I know you're a good boy. Okay, bye, kids.